Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. Today I don't want to introduce a new device, but a new feature to an existing device. So this is the RoomBarPro up here. I have connected a Room Vision PTZ camera via an Ethernet cable and a PoE power injector to it, and I have presenter tracking enabled. So now when I go to the trigger zone, which is on the right hand side of the screen here, the camera will start following me. So basically I'll just do that. I move like towards the left for me, and once I am there, the camera is capturing me and it will start following me now. So when I start moving around in the room, it will basically track me wherever I go. It's actually our cafeteria we have here, so I just like walk around a little bit further away. Let's see how far back I can go, and then I move just around the camera a bit. So I basically do 360 presenter tracking. So let's see how that works. So I'll on the other end, so it's basically about 180 degrees what I did now, and it still followed me very well. So I'm now on the other side of the room, and I can walk back and keep talking. It's not speaker tracking, so it actually doesn't matter if I talk or not, but I can talk. I can also go a little bit closer. Let's see if that makes a difference. Yeah, it still follows me well. I find my way through the chairs and the tables and walk a little bit around further away from the camera. There we go. And even back here, it is my other camera is a little bit in the way, but nevertheless. Okay, so I basically went once around the room and I can see it's still following me very well. That was it. Thanks a lot for watching, and hope it helped. Hope I see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.